we start? This is the color of the wall. You see how dirty it is? Oh my gosh. Yes. Can't wait to clean it and stuff. Paint it. Yeah. So this is the before, guys. Let me show you guys the before. Trying to show you guys every angle how it looks like, because I'm trying to show you guys how big the room is. The camera doesn't do justice how big the room is, but yeah. So this is some of the equipment that I'll be using for my transformation. I got this sandpaper. I got it for like $5, and I need it for like the window. As you can see, it has like a little shine and everything, so I can take the gloss away, so it could be easier when I apply the paint. I also got this. It's like all in one. I got this for like $15. This is how it looks like. It just has everything that you need to paint. I got the long stick because, you know, I'm still not that tall. This is where I'm gonna apply the paint. I already have one here. I think this also come with a the same thing as this one, but it's clear. And this is the paint that I'll be using. It's pure white. Yes, pure white. It's paint and primer in one. So it comes with the paint by itself, and they just add the primer. But that's the paint I'll be using. I'm gonna use two because the room is big. The room is big, so I'm gonna need two. And also I have a step stool. So, to climb. Oh. Okay, so I can reach all the way on the top. Don't forget my chin. So I can reach all the top. So this is the room, guys. Yeah, and I also got the sheets that's on the floor. I don't know if it's a sheet, whatever it's called, the little plastic thing. So like the floor won't be dirty. I also have some tape. Oh my gosh, where's my tape? Whatever. So I need to get the tape because I'm gonna be taping certain corners and stuff. So this is the room, how big the room is. Anyway, we're gonna be using this to kind of like wipe the window, to kind of like take the glossy, because I'm about to paint. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah. Alright, let me start with these. You have to go in a circular motion. So guys, now I'm about to put the tape all around it. The blue tape that's looking at you right here. I don't think you guys can see it. Right here. Yeah, I started it. I'm about to finish it. I still have the other side. Okay. I'm about to take a shower, get ready because I'm about to go out. Yeah, and I'm sweating, I'm breaking out like right here. Pink. That's it. That's it. So this is the first layer. It's right here. That's the first layer, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna let it dry and come back with the second layer. Yeah, I do feel like I might need more paint, to be honest. I might get a small one just because, like, yes, on camera you definitely could see the line of demarcations, but this is the first layer, so it's fine. What a mess. I put the paintbrush, they say like put it in a bag. The other one I just put it in water. I'm just gonna leave this like this because that's fine. So I only have one more left and that'll be it. I should have covered this because you could see a little paint around there, but it's fine. Starting from here to here. This is all white. Right now I am, oh Lord, help me. I'm just peeling the tape out slow. Oh, this will always happen. It's annoying because I have no nails. This is tape. I just peel it. There you go.